So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pollen's Vanity Cream, and today's video will be reviewing this thing here. Yeah, so this is a microfiber sponge, and to know more about this, guys, please do keep on watching. Yeah, so guys, so this is my very first time to review this sponge, and nakita ko na sa mga famous YouTubers, especially in the US, that they're using the Juno & Co. na brand. And this one, I just bought this at the Trendsetter Bazaar yesterday, and I really wanted to review this kasi gusto ko na siyang gamitin ngayon before going out. So kaya ngayon ko ito hawak-hawak. And so this is a microfiber. The feel is like very different sa sponge, kasi sponge is like parang something. Ito kasi parang mayroong hindi ko ma-describe. It's a velvety feel. At the same time, spongy. Upon checking the videos of Cutting Lights, parang according to her, it is like, feels like velvet. Guys, I will just be dipping this sa water so that we can start now on using this sponge. So, I'll be right back. Yeah, so guys, I'm back. So, na-dip ko na siya sa water. So, I really don't know kung lumaki ba siya. Pero I think medyo nag-increase naman siya in size. Or yan, medyo lumaki siya. See, tumaba-taba yung ating sponge. And any other like sponge, kapag dinip mo sa water, it will be like this. Medyo, lalaki siya ng konti. Ayan. So anyway, I don't have anything on my face. Kita pa yung mga blemishes ko, guys. This is caused by the NakakaSHOOKT kasi nagpa-purging na ako. And this one. So I'm really excited on what will be the result of the NakakaSHOOKT. So I'll be doing another video na lang about that, on the updates, if it really works for me or not. Yan. So ngayon, feel ko, kasi binasa ko na siya, parang ngayon medyo dry siya. Ala pa siya yung basa. Well, siguro baka kailangan nating i-press like what I've seen dun sa mga videos na napanood ko. So I'll be using my favorite concealer next part. Actually, mauubos na siya. Okay, so I will start on my concealer. Yan. So, inuuna ko talaga, guys, yung concealer. So, yan. So, pagpasensyahan na ako kung titingin ako dito sa aking mirror. Here sa baba ng Vanity. Yan. Okay, yan. So, I'll be applying na, guys. I'll be using this flat side. Yan, ito muna yung para... Oh my God. Oh, ang dami siguro ng concealer na nilagay ko, guys. Kasi para, I'm seeing here is like... Hindi ko alam kung kulang ba at nahihirapan mag-blend. Or it's really the spongy. So, dito ako titingin sa mirror ko sa baba. Guys. Parang ako naging meltdown. Oh my God. Masyado madami ako na... Actually, usually, pag naglalagay ako ng concealer, ang gamit nun, ganun talaga kadami. Pero with this sponge, I don't know, parang sobrang dami na nalagay ko ng concealer. So anyway, guys, sorry for the background kasi talagang gusto ko na siyang i-film. Yan. So, sana narinig niyo ako with the background. Yan. Actually, yung concealer na pwede ko nang i-spread sa buong mukha ko, guys. Oh my God. What happens? To be honest with you guys, when I use the normal sponge na ginagamit ko, the normal sponge I use, when I just dip it on my face like this, ganun kadami yung concealer sa face ko. Actually, hindi ganun kakapal. Oh my God, when I use this sponge, sobrang kapal. And guys, I don't know, parang wala, hindi nagstay yung product here sa sponge. Ang weird, diba? Hindi siya nagstay, parang just ginamit ko lang siyang tool para i-press yung product sa mukha mo. And really, para akong zombie ngayon. Yeah, I really don't know how to correct this. Pero, yan. So, yun yung concealer. I think na-cover naman yung dark under eyes ko. So, I'll just be doing a remedy na lang. Kasi sobrang puting-puti ng mukha ko with the concealer. Tignan ko nga ulit. Puti ng mukha ko with the concealer. Ayan. So, medyo parang hindi siya basa. So, sprayin ko lang siya konti. Kasi nga maglalagay na tayo ng foundation. So, I'll be using this Born This Way foundation kasi this is like medyo darker shade for my skin tone. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, guys. So, tignan natin. Hang yung water nagdidip siya dun sa loob ng sponge. Kasi hindi siya feeling basa. Unlike the sponge, kapag sinok mo na siya basa, yung feel talaga yan. Parang basta yun. Hindi ko ma-explain pero I hope you get me, guys. So, ayan na yung product. So, let's see kung ano mangyayari dun sa product. So, I'll just apply around this area. Ayan. So, nakita nyo ba? Medyo hindi ko kakulay yung medyo nag-dark na to sa akin. Ayan. So, ayun pa rin yung product. So, try natin. Ayan pa siya, oh guys. Nakita nyo ba? When I use and press it like this, andun pa yung product. Ayan. Meron pang product sa loob na pwedeng i-transfer. Oh. Dagdagan ko pa siya, guys. Medyo struggle is thrill lang din mag-blend using this sponge. Ay, napantay ko na lang, guys. Yan, hindi na ulit ako nag-dip. Ito pa siya, oh. Just using whatever left ko sa sponge ko. So, like what I'm saying, so parang, ayan na, inaano ko na lang siya, pinapantay ko na lang. Kuha tayong konti. Ang napansin ko sa kanya, it's really give me a flawless nung na-apply ko na foundation sa face ko. I don't know if you can see this. Yan guys, very, very flawless. Everything is flawless. Diba? The foundation that I used is like parang light to medium coverage lang. Hindi siya full coverage na foundation. Yun. So, I'm really, really amazed anong nag-turned out yung foundation ko sa face ko. This is the very first time na ganito ko na-experience yung foundation that flatters on my face na very smooth and I don't know. Basta, pag ginagamit ko yung foundation na yun, it's really like ganun, isang pump yun guys. And with the sponge, talaga nauubos ko isang pump all over my face. Kasi nga, it really, yun talaga yung amount of product na para makover yung buong face ko. And using this guys, dalawang ganun lang ako na sobrang konti pa. Nakita nyo naman, diba? Sa tip ko lang siya nilagay talaga. Hindi ako talaga nag-spread out like this ng product. Talagang sa tip lang. And look at how's the tip, guys. I don't know kung makita nyo. So, wala masyado na yung product. Parang naubos na siya. And, na-amaze ako talaga. Anyway, I will continue and lalagyan ko lang yung face ko na magbe-bake tayo. Ayan. Dewy effect kasi talaga yung, what they call this? Color pop. So, ipapress down ko lang siya here. Ayan, ipapress ko lang siya. And, when I'm pressing this, parang hindi man naiiwan. Paano ako magbe-bake? Parang you are just putting powder on your face. Then, pwede nang i-bake ang buong face using this sponge. Imagine, I'm using the Laura na loose powder. Naubos. Oh my God. I really can't believe. I don't know. Hindi ako talaga. I really don't know. I think this is just a local brand. Pero, I don't know kung how can I just compare lang sana with the Juno & Co. na microfiber na sponge para I can, di ba, share with you. Ito lang din ba yung effect niyan? Pero with this, the local brand, I'll just put the link below kung saan ko ito binili. Look at this. Yan, wala na siya. Parang napunta siya lahat sa mukha ko. I don't know. I really can't explain. Pero ako na-shock dun sa paggamit ng spongy na to. Anyway, so guys, ayan siya. So, I'll just complete my look. So, I'll get back to you. And let me say what's my final verdict for this one. Anyway, we're back, guys. So I just finished my look for today, and a few things about this sponge, the microfiber sponge. So kanina nung nagme-makeup ako, while I'm finishing my makeup dito sa vanity ko, napansin ko lang that this yung makeup na nagawa ko is like reminding me about the jamsu technique. Kung naalala niyo yung jamsu before, at sobrang nauso siya na ilulublog mo sa cold water yung mukha mo after you mag-bake. Kanina, nung ginagawa ko yung face ko and putting up some makeup, napansin ko nga na parang it just like the jamsu technique. Na sobrang kinis, guys. Yun lang masasabi ko. Na na-create the canvas sa face ko is very makinis. Napakita ko naman sa inyo kanina. Yan. So, yun. So, yun yung napansin ko sa kanya. Nakakatipid kayo when using this makeup. Actually, nag-try pa nga ako ng tint. Yan, oh guys. Tinry ko yung tint ko, mabiblend siya. Actually, hindi siya na-blend. So, parang feeling ko, mga creams, yan, very helpful. Itong sponge na to, when you apply cream, siguro mga cream blushes and all. Wala lang akong cream blushes, so I cannot try and I cannot tell you kung very effective siya in using this sponge with a cream blush. And what I really like about this, aside from giving me a very sobrang gandang canvas, using this sponge, ang napansin ko pa sa kanya, parang yung product na nilagay mo dito, yun din yung nilalagay niya sa face mo. So, parang walang masyadong matitirang product in the sponge. Ang best part pa sa kanya is madali siguro itong linisin, guys, because nga it's microfiber. Kasi pag sponge, diba, nagsisink lang yung product dito inside the sponge. Naka-experience na kayo or nakatry na din kayo ng sponge like this, let me know kung paano nyo siya linisin. Or tama ba yung mga pinagsasabi ko. Basta, on my opinion, I really recommend trying this and see for yourself kung paano din yung magiging resulta ng makeup or yung foundation niya using this sponge. Yan. So, again, kung magkano ba ito, it's like 350 lang, guys. Affordable for a sponge. And yung Juno & Co kasi parang $6. So, parang mga 350 lang din yun. So, parang it's the same price. I don't know where this made, if it is locally made or baka same lang din kung paano pinuproduce si Juno. I really don't know about that. So, just follow the link below that I will put, and they have available microfiber sponge so that you could try. Yan. So, yun. So, I guess, yun lang naman yung masasabi ko sa review na ito about this sponge. And yeah, I really love this. And I will be willing to try this. Siguro ito na yung ipapalit ko sa sponge ko. Yan, kasi, yun nga. Kasi very promising yung sponge. So guys, that's it for today. So if you want this kind of video, just give me some loving by liking this video, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and syempre leave your comments down below. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye!